here is Marius and welcome back to another update of Arcane Foundations. So today we're looking at version 0.2. So let's get started. First of all, I've added a new rarity called Verdant, which is this one. I've also added a new ore and ingot, which is Silverite, which is this one. Right now, haven't guessed how the world generation works, so right now the ore is only obtainable via the alchemy table. In this case is an upgrade for the alchemist workbench, with new page being transmutations, where you can get essence of water with fish, and then you can transform that with iron ore into the silverite ore and burn it as a normal ore on the furnace. After that, you can start crafting the new gear that I have added. It's the silverite one, which is like a tier 2 right now material. It's pretty similar to cobalt right now. It just has a little bit more of durability in this case. After you have gathered all the silverite stuff, which is all the armor and the weapons that I've added, you can start upgrading it to Verdant, which is used on this new bench, which is called the Nature Bench. You can craft it over here at tier 2, and it's with any stone, 3 logs, antidote, and linen scraps. Once crafted, you can craft the first item, which is the Verdant Silverite Ingot. So in this case, just to see, it has a cool animation. It's needed 1 silverite ingot, 20 of essence of life, and 1 lessened health potion. After that, if you get all the silverite tools, you can upgrade it to Verdant, which is like a nature upgraded version that acts as a symbiote of the nature element. And the main ability that it has is that it has like 1/3 more of durability than the silverite and other materials right now. This is more focused now on a mid-tier game, and well, it's everything that's everything that we've added right now. I also added the Verdant Repair Kit, which repairs tools, and it's only loses right now up to a 5% of the maximum durability, so it's 5% less or half as the iron kit. And let's show you some of the designs right now. I'll get piece of armor, check everything. Okay. So right now you can see, as it's a nature element, you can see leaves, particles over the items, and it has a special ability, which is also that you can see underground, so you no longer need torches or anything just to go mining. As you can see, it's pretty bright. And then I've also added some changes to the old Arcane system. So received a couple of comments that you couldn't craft some stuff right now. So I did some changes. First of all, everything that required another element was changed to thorium, so it could be used. And the stuff that couldn't be crafted, that is the thorium stuff and the rusty steel flail, now are crafted on a new tab, which is unreleased weapons. And here are the materials needed. Also, was asked to add an armor to the Arcanite, so add a new tab, with the ammo. And let's see it on use. So it looks like this. Added a couple of crystals just to make the same effect as the weapons. Gives you a tremendous buff on health. And also if you go into a cave, you will see also, as it's endgame, you can see also on the dark. Okay, last but not least, removed also an error that was on survival with the crafting, with the pocket crafting, and also added a new liquid, which is unstable variant, but right now it is obtainable via vanilla ways. So the thing is, I'm still trying to figure out how the world gen works, and that's why right now the ore and the crystals and the new liquid is not yet implemented as a world gen option. Also, you can see here there's a hidden item. If you go in creative, you can see what it is. You need a blueprint specific to it, which is a new system that works like the recipes. Right now it's not table also, as I want to figure out a way to implement cool abilities onto it, and also the Scarab Battle Axe. It is unobtainable. It's unobtainable right now. So first I need to figure out how to do that, and then I'll add it. Um, and I think that's everything. Uh, as always, thanks for checking out the Mora and downloading it, and I'll see you on the next update. Bye.